Professor Aiden. This is the AP Chemistry 2026 free response question number 6. Let's take a look at this 4-point question. It was a colorimetry experiment, Beer's law. So they gave us an absorbance of this thing called V+2 solution, the concentration. And the first thing they want to do is they said the absorbance for 0.32 is shown in figure 2. Take a look. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 particles. 8 particles. And they wanted to show us to draw one with an absorbance of 0.08. Just saying proportionally. 0.32 to 0.08, that's dividing by 4. So we're going to divide the number of particles by 4. We're only going to show 2 particles of the V+2. And that's what you had to draw in figure 3. Then we go to part B. Part B said, I like the second part of part B. Is actually really, or actually like this whole part. This sees whether you actually understand Beer's law. So the solution that the student was going to measure is too absorbent. It's too great. So they had to dilute it. They had to dilute it 3 mils of that very concentrated into a 25 mil volumetric flask. They said the absorbance was 0.22, so we wanted to determine the molarity of the diluted solution. We go back to the graph. 0.22 comes over, comes down, 0.055, 0.055 molar for that. Then they took this diluted solution of 0.055 in part 1, and they wanted us to know the original. So we had to use M1V1 equals M2V2. We had 0.055. We had 25 mils of it. We can only use 3 mils of the very concentrated solution, which was 0.458 molar. And if you take a look, if you go back to your graph, 0.458 looks pretty reasonable for a too concentrated solution off of that graph. Then part C, they said the concentration calculated in part B2 was lower. And the student claimed that it was too low because during the dilution step, they went a little bit too high on the volumetric flask. And that would be a reasonable student response there. If the solution was filled above the calibration mark, the final volume is actually greater than 25.0 mils, which would produce in a lower absorbance, a lower measured diluted concentration. This lower concentration would be used to calculate a lower calculated undiluted solution. That was AP Chemistry 2026 free response question number 3. See you guys. Bye.